Who's the cutest baby? Hey, over here. Look. You got Mr. Monkey, and you got a monkey on your shirt. Oops. Go ahead. Good girl. Look at that. Yay! Good girl. We're going to go for our little walkie now. Cute pants. Cute shirt. It's a little monkey. Chunky monkey. You got funny hair again today. Okay, we gotta stop the video. It's gonna be too long.